Well, hello everybody, Mark Anthony, welcome back. I am wearing the Sametop GoPro shoulder harness, all right? This is for a GoPro, but it also comes with the attachment for your smartphone, and that's the one that I'm using, okay? Now, this is very, this is elastic, so it fits very nicely, okay? You can do that. And then, this is the attachment. Let me see there, okay, right there. If you have a GoPro, you probably have a couple hundred of these sitting around. All right. Now the smartphone is nice, the smartphone holder, because it can do both landscape as well as portrait. Okay. Now the thing. So I'm going to do landscape. It's got that little bolt back there, okay? There's that. Now, one of the things I like about this is that this is one of the holders that you get to screw down. So you know it's going to hold, it's going to stay, all right? And then all you do is attach it right there. And there it is. And then the bolt at the bottom, you adjust it to however you want it. And there you go. Ta-da! Check it out.